What's up everybody? It's DJ JR here with Shop Time, and we recently worked in a facility that all they had was fluorescent lighting. And if you know, one of my pet peeves is fluorescent lighting. Now, it was one of those things where it was all on or it was all off. So what we had to do is we had to go in as a lighting designer and figure out how can we create the atmosphere, turn off their lights, and still have enough safety lighting for people to walk around tables and make their way around the room. So we have 14 of these now. We just ordered 12 extra to do this exact setup. But what this is the Chauvet DJ Wash Effects. And it is, they're 4-watt LEDs, and there's 3 per bank. And it's an RGB, which is red, green, blue. And what this allows us to do, you've probably seen these at the trade shows where they just kind of have the colors dancing through the LEDs. At the trade shows, they'll actually turn them on and kind of wash an entire area or an entire booth. So I looked at that and I said, it's such a powerful light. And we wanted to make sure that we could utilize this fixture to do exactly what we needed with washing the entire ceiling. Now again, with the brightness of this, with the punch it has, and then the color mixing, it allowed us to do exactly what we wanted in turning off the fluorescence and creating the atmosphere. So the bride's request was she wanted it into a mint green. I'll show you exactly how you can do that and make the color that you're looking for. But what I want to do is I want to walk you through the different steps in the programming that is built in. So this is basically the version, the version that the software is. But then it goes into the address, which is your DMX, so you can hook these all up in DMX. And they've got a couple different DMX options. There's a 7-channel and a 23-channel mode. Truthfully, a 7-channel is probably all you need unless you're using this as a special effect light and you're using it to wash your dance floor and kind of create some eye candy on the dance floor. The other option here is the channel setting. And this is the 7 to 12 or 7 to 23 option. Here is slave mode. Then we also have auto mode, so it kind of does its own thing. Again, it has some really cool options with that, and we'll just kind of go through that. Back up. So this is just an auto mode, so it's kind of doing its own thing. You can see it's a really cool special effect light, and if I shine it onto the wall, you can see kind of what it does. It creates a really cool dance feel. It can fill a dance floor. The beam angle on this is pretty extreme, so it really gives you some cool options. Now the other thing too, with it dancing like that, and with the diodes actually dancing around, when you have it in pixel chase mode, you can kind of see on the wall how the hand kind of moves in the shadow. So it creates some really cool shadow effects as well. So that's in the auto mode. We're gonna go back into the other options, which is the color. And this allows you to go into color 3, which is blue. 1 is R, G, B, and then you start mixing the diodes to make the different color options, as you can see on the wall behind. And it's got a bunch of built-in colors you can utilize. Looks like 9 different colors, so it's mixing the red, green, and blue to create 9 different options. Now going back, we're gonna go into the value, and this is where you can actually go in and color mix yourself. This is something that I really appreciate from Chauvet DJ. The original color strips that we have, it allowed us to basically color mix right within the fixture. So it's a great feature, and basically what we do is we can go into the red diodes, and right now we have the value at 75. Now again, we made a mint green, and if you can see on the back wall here, this is mixing the colors that we needed to create that mint green. So 75 for the red diodes. We're gonna go into the green diodes, and we have that, go into the green diodes, and we have that at full strength. Obviously, if we're going for a mint green, what we need to do is add a little bit of red and a little bit of blue to lighten up that green. So the green is at 255. And then going into blue is going to be roughly the same value of what the red is, so that way the green is the most powerful light coming off of that. So again, this is the value option, which allows you to color mix right inside the fixture. And then LED, basically if you want to turn this screen off, you can turn that on or off, so that way it's not on while the event's going on. And then display, if you want the display flipped or not. And then back to what version the software is. So the other nice thing is it does have the DMX in and out. Obviously all the fixtures are going to have that anymore, but it does have the power link as well. So you can power link a lot of these fixtures together to create it very efficient if you have them in groups. And again, we'll show you exactly how we utilize them in the setup that we did, and you can see how we washed the entire ceiling, allowed us to create and control the environment that we wanted. If you have questions on the wash effects, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. This is a great fixture. I really appreciate it. I know you'll appreciate it too. And the price point is amazing. You can get these from any of your dealers, from a Chauvet dealer. But again, make sure you check these out if you're looking to do more than just special effects. You're looking to kind of create some environment. These are great fixtures. If you have any questions, contact me, Jeremy@djjrshoptime.com. Again, it's Jeremy@djjrshoptime.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.